Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in online courses with Coursera, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Coursera website. If you don't have an account yet, click on join for free in the top right corner. Fill in your email and create a password, or sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find the course you're interested in. You can also browse by topic or category from the home page. Click on the course title to view more details about it. Take a moment to read the course description, including the syllabus and prerequisites. Check the ratings and reviews from other learners to gauge its quality. If you decide to enroll, click the Enroll for Free button. Some courses offer a free audit option, allowing you to explore the material without a certificate. If you opt for the certificate, review the payment options available. Enter your payment details or apply any discounts if applicable. Once payment is confirmed, you'll gain access to the course materials. Navigate to the course dashboard to see the lesson structure and schedule. Begin your learning by clicking on the first module or lesson. Make sure to participate in discussions and quizzes to enhance your understanding. Utilize any resources provided, such as readings and external links. Keep track of your progress to stay motivated throughout the course. By following these steps, you can effectively invest in your education through Coursera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.